Hi Professor, this is Abhilash. I am here to discuss about the assignment 5. Uh, here, uh, here we go. What I did in my assignment is like creating an empty list. W is equal to 0, and also x is equal w is equal to an empty and x is equal to 0, where while x greater than or equal less than or equal to 3, so that w dot append x, so it will take the values of x. Like here we have given x plus equal to 0.1, so creating an empty list and appending 0.1 till 3 in a loop in that list, and all the list of the list w, print w, like I am printing all the w and all the elements from the list w except like last two elements, print w minus 2. Then each fifth element in the list w will be printing like w is equal to 5, whatever the elements in the fifth row, and all each sixth element starts from index 2 to size 2. The print w is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 6. So this is what the output we got. So also exercise 5.7, what I did is like opening a data set file of name Oxford Sun Hours text. So for there are special characters in the file that we need to remove before storing in data variable. After removing special characters, if the line is empty, then do nothing and continue next iter of for loop. Else split the line on a comma delimiter and store in the data variable. So here what I did is like declaring an array that with hold that mean of 12 months. The number of years of data will be used to calculate n is equal to 10 minus 1929. So for a month in a range, what will happen is like execute the loop 12 times, once for each month mean calculation. Loop through each year and sum of the values. Mean calculation formula, sum number of years. Loop through each decade starting from 1930 to 2010. So with an increment of 10 as decade in 10 years. So here what it is like loop through each year in the decades and calculate the mean of each month in the decade. Printing decade mean data. So whatever we have given, so it will be creating like values like in Jan, Feb, March, everything as shown in the output. Also here what I did is like import dummy package to generate the data. Like import matplotlib pilot as built. So here what I did is like initializes the value of v0 is equal to 10 and g is 9.81. So generating the t array in the range 0, 2 into vo by g, 21. So with 21 points using line space, calculate the value of y of t. So this is the t value and this is y. So y is equal to t as written in this column. So it will plot the data. So plot the data with the t on the x-axis and y on the y-axis and using red solid line. So set the limits on the x-axis to meet the specification. Label on the x-axis and label on the y-axis. So here what it is, the output is like text is equal to 0 comma. From 0 it started like 0.5 height by month. So take input values separated by space, save in a list and convert each item to float. Import nummy package to generate the data. And also what I will take input value v0, then set the limits of x-axis and y-axis. So here also you will be getting like different type of graphs as shown in the table, like plot y label, plot x label, plot legend, plot grid. So it here it shows like plot show, that is what it's showing here in the output. So same thing like here also, what it is like import a matplotlib by plot as plot. So here we given the values, and at the end we have showing like show the plot. So this is what the plot it shows. And here we have written as temp in Fahrenheit and temperature in Celsius. So this is what it shows, like x-axis is like Fahrenheit and y-axis is in Celsius. So and also this one we have taken the values like plot x comma f. So Fahrenheit the f value will be, this is the one, so x into f. So it plots the f into xt. So it plots the graph here. This is how have written. Thank you.